What is up, YouTube? We're gonna make the intro short and simple for today. We're gonna finally be hitting a canyon. We're with my boy ZX10R right there. We're gonna be hopefully chasing him through the canyons. I'm excited for it. We got a bit of traffic out today with the time. It's about 5:36-ish, give or take. We haven't hit a canyon in a very long time. We're definitely gonna have to ease into it a little bit more than we usually just throw ourselves into it. All right, let's grab some gas and then let's hit the canyons as fast as we can. Stopped up on some gas. Now we're heading down. We gotta crank out a wheelie here in a minute, that's for sure. But it's almost like the second we clutch it up, we just gotta, we just gotta stand up. So clutch up. I have a buddy, from what I've seen that he does, when he clutches up, he'll bang it from second to third. So it's like a, but he'll stand up, shift in the process. And I don't know what that'll help with. We can definitely try it. That's a lot to learn when I've never attempted a stand up. I've attempted a stand up like once or twice, and it has never worked out for me. So we're gonna see. We just gotta cover that rear brake, most importantly. See, like, we can chase it out, but the second we start like going, I feel like we're going too fast to even try to stand up. I'm not running my quad lock right now, my GPS, so this is just pure muscle memory on how to get up there. Another thing we gotta watch out for is cops. I just don't want to be dealing with cops at all, but I'm sure we'll be fine as long as we just, keep our eyeballs out. Oh yeah. Ladies first. Willie. We shifted in our wheelie. That was the first time we've ever done that. Going low on these roads right here. I've never really hit a canyon with SMD. We've done it like once or twice before, so we'll see. We'll see how this goes. I'm excited though. We're gonna pull into the gas station, chill for a second. We're gonna get up and we're gonna rip some canyons. Yeah, like I'm saying, I haven't hit a canyon in a while, and I've only hit a canyon with SMD about once or twice, so I don't know how good either of us are going to be. Oh yeah, we're at the top now. Hey,
what?
You're making me look bad on my own channel.
What do you mean?
You're fucking flying, dude. Holy.
When I looked back, you were on my ass. So I was like, oh, I gotta keep it entertaining. I gotta.
That was good. We're gonna go to the bottom of this mountain, kinda, and then we're gonna pull over, and we're gonna make our way back that way. And like this canyon isn't super long. It's just there's a lot wider turns, so with us getting back into it, I definitely think it's a better choice. And it's also beautiful up here. Absolutely beautiful. Alright, we're gonna flip around. Wait for SMD to flip around as well, and then we're gonna go up. Was a cop. That way was definitely not as fun as coming up. It's more fun to chase the 10R, you know what I mean? That was a bad wheelie. Yeah, with that UHP being back there, I don't know if I want to risk it anymore. I don't know how fast we passed him, but I mean, I feel like if he wanted us, he would have flipped around immediately, so maybe not. Dude, he's flying right now, holy cow. He was flying. I almost wanted like a redemption round now. Our second run, just going like down the other side of the mountain, that wasn't really anything good. We were just trying to get down there. On our way up, I don't know if he was trying to pass me. And then the run back down here, I mean, I guess that one wasn't terrible at all, but he was just mopping me, dude. Crazy with it. That was really fun though. Oh my gosh, I can't tell you guys how much I've missed doing canyon rides. Yeah, I've definitely missed the canyon scene. That was an amazing canyon ride. We definitely need to get out and do that a lot more. We're gonna head down to the house now, and we're actually gonna start working on our next YouTube video. So stay tuned for that one. That one will hopefully really be a banger. What the? Dude, he'd just be doing the most random shit, I swear. Yeah, look at these mountains, dude. So beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Coming up here when it's like fall season as well, dude, it's so beautiful. I actually have I have rollers that I got through this canyon back when it was about fall time, so. Not it. Why does it feel so weird right now? It feels really weird. I don't know. Maybe I'm not revving it high enough or popping the clutch hard enough. We set those down really hard. I don't like that. low-key biffing my wheelies up there, man. Oh yeah. So good. Mwah! I can't do them right now. So off too. I feel like I'm losing it. Yeah, we definitely got to lock in wheelies. I don't know what the hell that was, so don't judge me on those ones. We started the video out really great with wheelies, and then as time went on, it just kind of got worse and worse. So I don't know why. I honestly couldn't tell you. But we are gonna wrap up the video today right here. Oh, hold up. Hit up that one. There you go. Back to what I was saying though. we are going to wrap up today's video right here. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It only takes a couple seconds out of your guys' day. It's completely free to you, and it supports me. I really do appreciate everybody that stops by, though, from the bottom of my heart. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead, leave a comment, leave a like down below. With that being said, though, I appreciate everybody stopping by. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!